Okay, proceeding further, we come to the next question. Question number 26 of miscellaneous exercise, chapter definite integrals. You are having I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 4 sin x cos x dx. Okay, now see how to solve this. In this case, you have sin x cos x dx upon this. You can write it as 1 minus sin square x bracket square plus sin square x. Means here you are having cos raised to 4x. Okay, instead of cos raised to 4x, we can write this as cos square into cos square. Okay, and one of the cos square which is inside, it will become 1 minus sin square x. This gives you integral from 0 to pi by 4. You get sin x cos x upon this becomes 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin raised to 4x, and this is also sin raised to 4x plus sin raised to 4x. This becomes integral from 0 to pi by 4. You get sin x cos x upon you get 2 sin raised to 4x minus 2 sin square x plus 1. Okay, now what you will do, you will put sin square x equal to t. Substituting sin square x equal to t. Sin raised to 4 sin raised to 4 2 sin raised to 4 हो गया minus 2 sin square x plus 1. We are substituting sin square is x equal to t. This gives you 2 sin x cos x is equal to dt by dx. You are having sin x cos x in the problem, so sin x cos x dx, it is dt by 2. Okay, clear? Now as far as integrals are limits are concerned, see this x t is sin square x. Okay, we take the limit of x as 0, sin of 0 is 0. We take x as pi by 4, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, square of it will be half. Okay, so we get this. Now this leads to integral from 0 to half. Integral from 0 to half. Lower limit will be 0, upper limit will be half. Sin x cos x dx, it turns out to be dt by 2. dt by 2. Okay, upon 2t square. Sin square x equal to ta. Here it is sin raised to 4. So this is 2t square. Okay, minus 2t plus 1. Okay, if you want, you can take this 2 outside. Now see, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, integral from 0 to half dt upon t square minus t plus half. Please have a great look. Dt by 2. So this 2 comes outside. 2t square, 2t. Take 2 common. Now from here it will remain t square. It will be t, and here there is no 1. So if you take 2 common, it will become half. Okay. Now this is 1 by 4. This is integral from 0 to half. This is dt upon this will be t square minus t plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Converting them into perfect square. T square minus t as it is. Coefficient of t minus 1. Half of it minus 1 by 2. Square of it 1 by 4. So add 1 by 4, subtract 1 by 4. Added 1 by 4, subtracted 1 by 4. Okay, again this is 1 by 2. Making the denominator as 4, we have to multiply both by 2. Here it will be 2, denominator will turn out to be 4. We get this. Okay, proceeding further, now see, this gives you 1 by 4 integral from 0 to half. These 3 terms, they will form t minus 1 by 2 square. 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4 gives you 1 by 4, and that too positive, and which can be written as 1 by 2 square. So formula of 1 upon x square plus a square. This gives you 1 by 4 into 1 by a 1 by is 1 by half tan inverse t minus half upon half, limits running from 0 to half. Okay, now this half, or you can say 2 shifts up, this 2 has nothing to do with the limits, it will come outside. So 2 by 4 gives you 1 by 2. Okay, you are having tan inverse, you can write this as 2t minus 1, 0 to half. Why? This t minus half multiply by 2, you get 2t minus 1 upon 2, and in the denominator you are having half, 2 to get cancelled. Now apply the limits, you get half. Okay, tan inverse, upper limit, if you put here half, okay, this will become 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, so you get tan of 0 minus tan inverse, if you put 0 here you get minus 1. Okay, now this is half, tan inverse 0 is 0, minus and minus, plus you can write this as tan inverse 1. See, this turns out to be 0, minus tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x, minus n comes outside. Now as far as tan inverse 1 is concerned, you get half into minus pi by 4, plus pi by 4, and this gives you answer pi by 8. Okay, 0 as it is, and plus tan inverse 1, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, so pi by 4 into half, this gives you pi by 8. Okay, problem is quite easy. First of all, this cos raised to 4, it is considered as cos square into cos square bracket square. Cos square will be written as 1 minus sin square x. Why we are doing this? Because when we substitute sin square x equal to t, we get sin x cos x, this part, okay, which comes in the derivative part. Okay, so our main aim is to put sin square x equal to t. By that we change the limits, okay, and then solve it. Please note it down.